Okay, so today is the 4th of July, and in honor of it, I'll be showing you how to make a simple firework in Unity. So to start off, I have this simple scene with a firework model, a player, and a plane acting as the floor. To light the firework, we have a torch attached to the player with a fire particle effect. If you want to recreate this particle effect, then you can follow this tutorial. You will want to give the fire particle effect a box collider with isTrigger on and a tag called fire. Now in the firework model, you will have to go and add a few things. Some things include a rigid body, a script called Firework, we'll get to that later, an animator, and a box collider. First, go to the rigid body and freeze the X and Z rotation. To add the animator, go into the animation window and create a clip of the fire being lit called StartLit. This is the clip I created. Now open up the animator and create an empty state called entry. Right click and set it as the default layer. Now just create a simple transition between the entry state and the fire lit animation. Create a trigger called StartLit and add a condition to the transition called StartLit. Edit the box collider on the firework to the size of the rope and give it the isTrigger property. Now after all of that, you can open up the Firework script. Here is the entire script you can copy down. Most of the variables are self-explanatory, but just in case, the clip is the firelit clip we created, and the explosion is a particle effect that we'll quickly get to. You can use any firework particle effect you want, but this is a simple one I created that you can copy. You also want to add this simple destroy on delay script to the particle so there aren't a ton of particles left in the scene. So that's it. If you want a tutorial on how I made the firework or on something else, just leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and if you did enjoy, please like and subscribe.